Okay, we are back with the hammer-built tailgate reinforcement install. You're going to start by removing your decorative tire from the back. Now I'm just going to break all of them loose with this. They aren't very tight on here anyway. I'm going to use a 3/4. Get these off of here. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove all of these from your tire carrier. It's going to be a 1/2 inch. Pull this off, you lay that over. I'm gonna take a rag and just kind of dust off some of this area that I'm never ever gonna clean again. All right, next they say to insert a thick piece of foam to keep the tailgate aligned. Okay, one trip to Lowe's later, I have now found out that I need a T45 to remove these. So you're going to go ahead and remove the top two. Then you're going to take the provided spacers and you're going to put them right into these holes. So you're going to need a friend for this one. So, hi Bailey. And let me just get these, you can get these spacers in behind. Take one of your bolts. All right, and hold it up there. So if you leave the top two loose enough, you could just reach in and loosen up the bottom two the same way. All right, now that we have the plate installed, we're going to reinstall the tire carrier with the bolts that were provided from Hammerbuilt. Just gonna place it here. I'm gonna thread a couple in, and I'm gonna use that 13mm and just an impact to drill these bad boys back in there. Now I opted for the mount attachment, so I'm going to be installing this today along with putting a Rotopax on there. So just going to get it placed, get some of these threaded in, provided hardware for it. So I'm going to tighten these up just using this 13mm again. And the last thing I went for is the antenna or flag mount, because I do want to take Cardi B here to the dunes, so she's going to need to be flagging. This just came with 2 bolts just to put in right here on the side. So then I'm going to just try and thread one of these bolts into my flag mount here. Try and tighten it a little by hand. See if I can't take my screwdriver. Just get it the rest of the way in there. I'm just going to take my old Rotopax attachment here. I'm just going to bolt it on because they already drilled out a pattern here that's perfectly for it. Tightening this down, I'll be good to go. Make sure you put this on the right way because I totally wasn't paying attention. And now I had to take the tire off and I'm going to have to rotate this so it'll sit up like this. I'm going to take your decorative tire and you're just going to put it right back up there. And you just put your factory nuts back on. She's ready to go. And there you have it, the finished product of Hammer-built Bronco tailgate reinforcement. Looks good, feels like good material. And that is it for today. If you guys like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me for more installs and adventures in Cardi B.